Hello, my little learners. Today's story is The Greedy Dog. It's a simple and fun story about a dog who finds a piece of meat and wants even more. Let's read together and learn why greed is not good for us. Ready to start? Story 2. The Greedy Dog. Once there was a dog. He was very hungry. He wandered here and there in search of food. After some time, he found a piece of meat near a shop. He became very happy. He picked up the meat in his mouth and started walking towards his home. On the way, he reached a small bridge over a river. When he looked down, he saw his reflection in the water. The dog thought it was another dog with the bigger piece of meat. The greedy dog wanted that meat too. He opened his mouth to bark at the other dog, but as soon as he opened his mouth, the piece of meat fell into the water. The dog became very sad. He lost his own meat because of his greed. From that day, the dog learned a lesson. He realized that greed always causes loss. He never tried to take what was not his. Moral: greed always leads to loss. Now let's learn the key vocabulary from the story, along with two simple example sentences for each word. 1. Hungry. When you want food. Example. 1. I am hungry after school. Example 2. The boy was hungry, so he ate quickly. Second, wander. To walk without a clear aim. Example 1. I wander in the garden in the evening. Example 2. The child wandered in the market. 3. Reflection. The image seen in water, glass, or mirror. Example 1. I saw my reflection in the mirror. Example 2. The boy looked at his reflection in the water. 4. Greedy, wanting more than needed. Example 1. The greedy man took all the money. Example 2. Don't be greedy, share with others. 5. Bark, the sound a dog makes. Example 1. The dog barks loudly at night. Example 2. My dog barked at the stranger. 6. Loss, when something is gone. Example 1. He had a loss in business. Example 2. The boy felt sad after the loss of his toy. That was the story of the greedy dog. He learned that being greedy can make us lose everything we already have. What lesson did you learn today? Tell me in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy stories.